everybody, welcome back to my modern homestead. If you are new and you don't already know, my name is Janet, and if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so happy you are all here. Today we are here for Tiny Tuesday. Let me make sure we are actually recording. Yes, because remember, last week I had an oops. I wasn't recording when I thought I was. So I wanted to make sure I don't do that again. I haven't done that in a long time. I usually do that on my cooking videos. But today, just as usual, we're coming with $2 worth of dimes that we are saving. And the first thing I need to do is color in on my tracker. And this tracker is from Mandy over at Mandy's Budgeting Journey. Let's see. Let's do, what about a purple? Or blue, could do blue. That's all right. That's my son going in and out. So we're going to do 70 here. That means we need 30 more. Let's see. Let's do an orange. Oh, actually, let's do green. Okay, so there's $1. This is going so quickly, I cannot believe it. Y'all, this just shows every little bit counts. It all adds up. Look at this. And as Mandy would say, every dime counts. Okay, so there's that dollar. Let's do, I don't have my red. Okay, well, we'll just do green again. We like green. 80 cents. And we need to do 20 cents. We'll do purple here. 80 and 20 is $1. So there's our $2. Yay. I hope you all are having a great day. Are y'all doing anything fun this week? I hope so. If not, I hope you are at least having a great week. So there we go. Next week we can color in the dollar and probably 90 cents and 10 cents. Yay! I'm so excited. That makes me happy. Okay, well, let's get started. Let's take our tinies out. I've got my pencils all ready. They're over here to the side. And some of these we may actually finish this week. Let's see. Yeah, because they only have one here. 5. Oh, we're starting out with some big ones. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it's perfect. Okay, let's do, let's just grab whatever we grab. Oh, we can't do that. I was just kidding. Purple. We'll do purple. Yay. So fun. I love these tinies. I love that so many of you are loving the tinies and doing them. I like how you're making them your own and using them your way. So there's 5. We will need to pull another one out for next week. Yay. Okay, you are my sunshine. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last week when I did this, it felt like everything was getting colored yellow. It was too funny. I wish y'all could have seen it. Oop, I have to color the outside, don't I? Love this little song. I always sing it to my children every single night. This song I actually sang the way it was supposed to be sung, but there was another one I made up my own words to. There's that one. Not ready to complete it yet. Okay, our music. The Lord is my strength and my song. Oh my goodness, 6. 2, 4, 6. And the Lord surely is my strength and my song. I just couldn't get through life without him. I don't know how people can. He's my hope when I feel like there's no hope. He's my happy when I feel sad. He's my comfort when I need comfort. He's my strength when I'm weak. Oh. Anyway, 6. And our light bulbs, how many have I got? Got 5 left. Okay, so 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, those dimes are filling up. Little light bulb. And y'all, if y'all see me go absent in comments, don't think that I don't care and I'm not going to answer. If I'm not answering, it's because we're not home and I'm on the cruise, but I will see it. I'll get to it, I promise. All right, loving my peeps. 4, I don't have a 4. I tell you what, yes, let's do this. We're going to keep this to actual 1. So hopefully I can remember next week. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. So we'll do 1 for the peeps. Well, I can pick it up. There we go. And then we'll do our last little teacup. Fun, fun, fun. But what do we want to do it? Let's do purple. Yay! We finished 2. How awesome is that? All working with dimes. Too cute, cute, cute. That was 1. There we go. I didn't write how much I had on that one, but that was 10, 20, 30. 30 dimes, so that was $3 and whatever that one was, just on this one little card. Yay! All right, so I've got my others already printed out. And let's see, I'm just going to turn them over, mix them up, and we'll just choose 2 new ones. How about that? Okay. 1. You don't need to be an expert to do something great. You sure don't. And keep going. Oh, I love it. Okay, well, we'll stick those right back in there. I'm going to put these. I'm trying to decide, do I need to do ding ding? I don't have $1. I don't know what I want to do. You know what? I think I'm going to wait till the jar is full. That was my goal. Either I can do the jar and the tracker. So when we get the jar full, we'll do the ding ding, and when we finish the tracker, that's what we'll do. Yes, okay. But until then, let's leave. I don't know what to do with these. I guess for now, I'll just stick them in the back of this pile. How about that? That works for me. We'll clip them together later. Y'all, thank you so much for joining me. You know I love it when you come and spend a few minutes with me. So, until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye.